Welcome. The gospel for today is the beginning of the Gospel of Matthew. And in the beginning of his gospel, Matthew presents a genealogy. I decided not to read the genealogy to you because it would be too long and too boring. But the genealogy includes 3 sets of generations of 14 each. That's Matthew's way of telling us that the person at the end of that genealogy, who is Jesus, fulfills the messianic formula. It's Matthew's way of telling us that Jesus really is God's agent on earth, that Jesus truly is God's anointed one, his Messiah. And so there's a theological meaning behind the genealogy. The second thing that's worth noting is that Matthew's genealogy includes the mention of 4 women. That's highly unusual for a biblical genealogy. These 4 women are Tamar, Rahab, Ruth, and Bathsheba. These women are not terribly well known in the Bible, but they're all included for a very specific reason. They're included in his genealogy because in each case, these women gave birth under very unusual circumstances. And the sons whom they gave birth to had an important role to play in the history of salvation. And then there's a 5th woman who is also listed in the genealogy, and that's Mary. And we know that her birthing of Jesus certainly was under the most unusual of circumstances. So Matthew's message here is twofold. First of all, he's saying that Jesus is the Messiah. And second, he's saying that the birth of the Messiah could not have happened, would not have happened, without the free consent of a woman. Thank you so much for watching today.